How's it? Welcome back to another video, and today I want to talk about liquidity. All right, let's get into it. So I have a very perfect example of how you can trade liquidity in the market. Okay, so today I just saw a very nice example on volatility 75 index. All right, so let's go to 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 4-hour time frame and see. Okay, so you can see here there is this very beautiful zone, demand zone. Okay, you can see that, right? And then let's go to 1 hour. I think you can see that the market made this level here. There's this level here. And then what does the market do when it's create these levels like this? It's making the traders believe that this is a level. So they're gonna trade, they're gonna buy, they're gonna sell here and put their stop losses here. And then what happens when you have put your stop loss here? Okay, the market is gonna pretend to go down, and then boom, the market comes back to this zone and hit all of the stop losses that were put here. Okay, but that's not the most interesting part about there's liquidity here. So look at what happens after the market has hit all the stop losses here. It then goes down again below this level. All right. And why is it so interested in this level here? It's because there is this order block here. There is this order block. Okay. You see, even after breaking above this zone here, I know that there are people who consider this as a breakout because the market closed above. And then I'm sure if you go into 15-minute time frame, this would look like a retest, but that's not what was happening here. So the market, after having this cluster of candlesticks above this level here, it then came down back to this order block here, or rather this one here, and then it came here, and then it made a turning point, and then it went up high above this price level here that was a stumbling block to the market for a very long time. All right, so what does this tells us? It tells us that before you take any trade, you must consider the principle of liquidity. All right, so if you are able to identify the liquidity from the market, the next thing that you should do is to look for the closest and very beautiful order blocks or supply demand zone around the area of liquidity. As you could see here, that the market, after having collected all the money that was placed here in form of stop losses and collecting all the money that was placed here in form of stop losses by the traders who were convinced that this was indeed a breakout, it then went down and looked for an order block. And then from that order block, the market made a turn to go upside. So for someone who traded this, would have maybe, let's say, bought here and would have been wise enough to put their stop losses here, they are in deep profit. All right. They are in deep profit. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. This is a very perfect example of how you can trade liquidity together with supply and demand strategy. From me to you guys, thank you very much. Do subscribe and like this video if you find it very helpful. Thank you.